Facebook, YouTube, Brian here, AOCleaning. Today is Wednesday the 6th, and believe it or not, it's September. What a beautiful day out here. We are in Staunton, Illinois today. We're doing a clean and buff for a client that booked on the spot about 3 weeks ago. Got our deposit, and then now we're going to clean and buff, which is right there, that picture right there. And then all is well. We're just going to clean it, buff it out, and pop the original sheen of the floors, and that's it. Just a clean and buff to get the residue and dirt off to make it more presentable. And that'll do it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. And hope everybody had a good Labor Day weekend. The customer already put the furniture out of the area, and then we're going to take care of the rest. Let me show you guys what we're doing. All right, so this is a pre-finished floor. As you guys can see, it's got basically a little bit of residue, a little bit of dirt. We're gonna pop the sheen, get back to the original luster, and that's gonna do it, guys. We got what going on. We already got set up, and all is well. Stay tuned. So you guys kind of see just like some of these little areas right here, just some light scuff marks and scratches. See, the camera sees that. See all that right there, guys? That's what we're buffing out today. Again, this is a pre-finished floor, semi-gloss, and so make it look a little better. See how there's like a little grime, light scuffs. The floor's not in bad condition. So that's why I advised the client that this probably needs a good cleaning and buffing, and they were fine with that. You can just see where there's a lot of wear, where it's higher luster than the sides, but then it gets kind of dullish here. That's where we just need to clean and buff. Now, they do have some areas of concern. They're kind of missing some poly. They're okay with that. They just want to make it look a little better to get them by a few more years before it needs either a screen or recoat or a full sand. But this is a Bruce hardwood, common in the area of 2000, and common natural hardwood, 2 1/4, 3/4 thick. So this is a great maintenance option. So again, you guys have this kind of flooring, or just want to make the original sheen and luster pop. We just come in, clean off the grime and the residue and the dirt, and then buff the original sheen. Similar like buffing your guys' car, right? You get to clean the car wash, but every now and then, at least annually, you should, or every other year, you should get it cleaned and buffed, right? And maybe a coat of wax. But in this case, with hardwood, it's different than metal. Just a clean and buff is really all you need every few years. Now, if it really was losing its luster, we would recommend a screen and recoat, which is our sandless recoating option. But if it was really bad shape, we'd recommend full sand. So in this case, a clean and buff is appropriate. All right, guys, stay tuned for some results. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Let's go. Also, guys, a lot of clients ask upon estimates what happens to the furniture. We do advise clients to move their own furniture out of the way. Otherwise, we do network with a company that can come out and move all your furniture back. First off, move all your furniture out of the house. Put it in an area of your choice, whether it be a garage, an extra room, or a pod, or what have you, a basement. And then they come back out when we're finished and put everything back. So we have a company that we use at Alton called Sunrise Moving. They're great, and they give all my clients a flat rate, typically of $550, which is a great deal, tailored to our company. And that's one way to give back and really help accommodate the needs of our clients, is we understand all those variables. So again, we come out and do an estimate, and you need to move furniture. If you don't do it yourself, we do have a company that can accommodate you guys on that. So it's a great network and great partnership I have with Sunrise. Great set of folks, and they do an outstanding job. So rest assured, no worries, no fears. We have a company that can do that, or of course you can do it yourself. But that is the options that we provide. So other than that, guys, again, we do not move furniture. We do advise you guys to do that. All we do is take care of the floors. Now, if you have a full restoration job, such as sanding. We do have a team that can do that if needed. Otherwise, we just network it out to sunrise. So hope that advised to you and educated you. And again, in this case, they did it themselves, which is fine. But anytime we put a topical on, we do advise to wait at least 24 to 48 hours and make sure you put it back by lifting the furniture. Never scoot it, because that will break your floor. So other than that, guys, little tip of the day. We're getting ready to get started cleaning these floors, and it's going to be a wrap. Stay tuned. Now, guys, we do start with a white pad, as you guys can see. And when we get done, I'll show you this, and just you'll see how much dirt, grime, and residue we transfer off these floors. All right, guys, here we go. Clean and buffed in Stoughton, Illinois. Beautiful day out there. Got me and my other technician on the job. We are doing it to it. Gonna get these beautiful hardwoods sheen popped back to the original state. This is a semi-gloss sheen. It's gonna look good, guys. And if you guys need this service, give AO a call, text, email, DM, all the above. We got you covered. Now remember, before you floor it, let AO restore it. This is what we do, guys. See, it's an isolating machine. It's actually taking that cotton pad and absorbing some of the soil, popping the original sheen, just like buffing a car. Stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, I promised I'd show you the end result of that, guys. See how soil that is? We just got done cleaning and buffing this. So pretty. Pop that original sheen. Looks gorgeous. And now look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Yep. Just when you think your floor's clean, this is embedded in your hardwood, guys. Also your laminate and your LVT. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, a little update. We're finishing out the entry now. You see that floors are turning out great. Again, guys, as the owner and operator of AOCleaning, I love being in the field. You'll see me a lot, along with my other technicians that serve. Whether it be my home service for carpet, tile, upholstery, and duct cleaning, HVAC system cleaning, or my sanding team, or my dustless, sandless, hardwood refinishing team. So whatever service you need, remember, I'm always available and I'm always on the job to accommodate the needs of my clients. So that is a blessing that most homeowners appreciate. I'm not the kind of guy to sit behind a desk. I love being in the field, building relationships. So not only do we solve problems for clients and help save their floors and restore them and clean them and maintain them, as well as their HVAC systems, we also build relationships, guys. So we think of you more than just clients. We think of you guys as friends and part of our AO family. So we take care of you guys, and we love building relationships. So hope that added value to you. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Happy to take care of you. These floors are turning out great, you guys can see, and it's gonna be a good day. Stay tuned. Guys, just got done buffing this out. Look how much better it is. Remember that haze and all those prints that are right there? Gone, guys. All that got popped out. Popped the sheen. Beautiful. Look how pretty it is over here, guys. Hallway turned out good. Look at that. All this hallway looked good. So just look at all that soil. Wow. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube, we just got done. As you can see, these floors look absolutely gorgeous. We cleaned and buffed it, popped the original sheen of these floors. These are semi-gloss, pre-finished hardwood. And if you guys remember all that residue and scuff marks is all right here. Yep, all gone. Look at that, guys, especially over there, all those scuff marks, those are all gone. That's the benefit of a clean and buff. So yeah, guys, they're gonna be excited. All through here, look at that reflection just pop. All here, looks good. The hallway. Look at this here, guys. This is the soil that came off. Leave both sides out, look at that. So yep, these floors were definitely need of a clean and buff, as you guys can see. Got these floors looking better with our oscillating machine, and our cotton pad, and our special neutral cleaner. Man, much better. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, and also while we're on Instagram. And give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, reach out. Happy to serve. Stay tuned for testimonial. And as always, thanks for watching. Wow. He was a good audience. Look at you. Shiny. And I saved those little things there to show you how solid your floor were. And I'll show you this here. Look at this here, Carrie. So these are all the soil that came out. And look at this other side. Isn't that crazy? Sure. See how it popped the original sheen? Definitely a lot better. Awesome. Glad you like it. Hey guys, right here, AOCleaning. I'm with my client, Carrie, and we just got done cleaning and buffing her beautiful hardwood floors. And she wants to speak to her overall experience, give me a video testimonial of her experience with here today. And without further ado, here she is.
Hi, my name's Carrie, and I highly recommend AOCleaning. They did a great job on my floors. I am extremely happy. Great communication, great service, great people.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Carrie. And again, appreciate the opportunity to serve you.